Hey there everyone, so we've got the shelf built, pretty happy with it still, and we've got it nice and secure now to the wall so I don't have to worry about kids climbing on it and pull things down on top of themselves. Yeah, so it's great. So far we're going to fill this up now, push the banquet box back, we're going to build another shelf just around the corner. Fiona and I have been talking about using the back of the room as a bit of a sewing room for her. She's currently in the laundry in the back of the house, which amongst anything else is very, very cramped for her, so we're going to sort of maybe look at doing some stuff out here, and as I said before, eventually build a nice little work table here for photo framing and basically just anything dust free that we want to work on that's away from the shed. So me and my little helper here, we're going to get about now and just basically take all these boxes, as many as we can, and whack them into this thing. So let's do another time lapse. Hello?
We have already stuffed that cupboard.
Filled it up.
Yes.
That's why there's 3 more going up in here. I'm going to put 2 over there, 1 there, and that's probably all. And I've got a couple more for the shed.
We have a little place for some carrots.
What's that?
Door is empty.
Anything else we can put up there, you reckon? Can you show everybody? Thank you. Pretty good. What is it?
It's a bridge.
It's a bridge. I keep telling you to build a bridge and get over it. Is that what that's for? Cool. Awesome stuff. Remind me never to throw those out because I saw somebody doing something really cool with those at school the other day. For spelling. Exciting stuff, I know. Okay, what else have we got that can go up there that's not toys? Unsurprisingly, most of the rest of the stuff is toys. Alright, so we're done. We have moved a heap of stuff onto the shelf. Done a fantastic job so far. Pretty much got everything that's non-toy related stacked up into that. All the Christmas stuff, all the spare bits of clothes and sewing stuff for Fiona. Super happy with that. Got easy access for the kids' bags when they need them. Yeah, that's come up really, really well. In terms of picture framing, if you haven't seen the picture framing tip on how to hang a picture frame using a fork, I didn't do it then, obviously. I saw it yesterday. It's absolutely brilliant. Using a fork to hang a picture frame, brilliant. Go and look that up on YouTube. Search picture frame hanging with fork, I suppose. So that's that. We're going to take a break. Going to go have some lunch.
Yep.
And then we're going to come back and knock out a couple of more shelves. Maybe build a bridge, maybe get over it. So, awesome job. Thanks for your help, kiddo. So, bye.
Bye-bye.
See ya.
We'll see you when we get back. Bye-bye.
There.